Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to go over how to replace that arrow key on your Dell laptop, but we're going to get straight to the repair. Taking my flathead screwdriver, I'm going to insert it between the retainer clip and the keycap. And the goal is to use the flathead to hold down the retainer clip and then peel away the keycap like so as you see in this picture. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull off the keycap. Next, I'm going to push on the retainer clip. Also, this would be a good point to take a picture of the orientation of the retainer clip for later. And then I'm going to push up, and sometimes at this point when you push up towards the hooks that are on the outer rim of your retainer clip, a lot of times it will come right out. Other times you'll have to open it up a teeny bit and then it'll come loose and come right out. So between the two methods, I've gotten the retainer clip out. Next, using my picture, I'm going to remember the orientation for when I install the new keycap, or if I can't quite sure, I can remove the keycap on the key next to it. Taking it, I'm going to hook it back onto the outer hooks, and I'm going to then push down to snap it in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my screwdriver, give it a nice little push to make sure it's in there good, and then I'm going to go ahead and snap the keycap back into place. And then I'll replace the second key that I used to see how it looks for comparison. Voila, just like so. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.